Hello guys, welcome back to electriccycle channel. I was so impressed with this electric bike that I wanted to make a video about it. But first, let's check the electric power of this bike. See, when we accelerator, the wheel rotates. And if we want to normally pedal the cycle, there are pedals for it. Before that, let me go for a quick ride. A smart bike is a traditional bicycle packed with a modern piece of technological hardware such as battery, controller, electrical motor, global positioning and geological sensors, biometric system and a pedaling sensor to offer a fully convenient and automated ride. A concept of smart bike allows individuals to meet their transportation needs in an environmentally sound manner. One accesses a smart bike with either a smart card, magnetic strip card or unique numerical code. Unlocking this bike, if you want to ride this bike, if you want to take it back, it will not come and it will sound some alarm. Can you hear the sound? For that we have to unlock the smart bike and then go for a happy ride. Once you have finished your riding, you have to pay some amount for how much time you are riding the smart bike and lock it back. Hope you got to know about this smart bike. Stay tuned.